Hi there, students. Unbeknown and unbeknownst. Unbeknownst is an adverb. Unbeknown can be both an adjective and an adverb, although unbeknown is most usually just used as an adverb. Okay, unbeknown, it means without somebody's knowledge. Yeah? So I went to visit my friend, but unbeknown to me, he was on his way to visit me, so we didn't meet each other. This is a word unbeknown by the general majority of the population. Not known, yeah? Not known to exist. Unbeknownst to us, there was a storm coming. Nearly always you use this phrase unbeknown to a person, unbeknownst to a person. Unbeknownst to me, yeah, without my knowledge. Unbeknownst to me, there was a bucket of water on the top of the door. So when I opened it, the bucket fell on my head. Okay, I didn't know about it, and that's the idea of unbeknown or unbeknownst, without a particular person knowing. Unbeknownst to me, the rules had changed, and now I had a problem. Okay, so without knowing it, unbeknownst to me, the battery of the car was flat. So when I got in it, I turned the key and it just went click. Yeah. This artist is unbeknown. Yeah. He's unbeknown to most of the population of the country. Okay. This phrase is unbeknown to me. It's unbeknownst to me. So he left the house unbeknownst to the people who were inside it. So this is just saying it's something that you didn't know about. It's a state or a situation that somebody has no knowledge of. Okay, it's just completely unknown. Now you're going to say this word to me sounds really formal, and it does seem formal, but I think I would probably only use this word in spoken English, or maybe if I was writing an essay. Yeah, unbeknownst to the main character, things had changed, the situation had changed. Unbeknown to this character, the girl that he loved had found a new boyfriend. Yeah, occurring or existing. So I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you can happily use this in an informal conversation, and also I think use it in an essay. In something very formal, I suppose you could use it as well, but I would use this word unbeknown to me. This happened. It just says I didn't know about it. I went to the bar and bought myself a pint, but unbeknown to me, my friend had already bought me a pint. So when I went back to the table, I had 2 pints. Yeah, and you can use it as easily as that. Okay, so if something is unbeknown to you, you just don't know about it. Yeah, it exists, but you did, or it happened, but you just didn't know. Then, as to origin, well, it comes from the word beknown, yeah, to know about. But that's a very old-fashioned, obsolete word, yeah. And then that itself comes from know, which comes from Middle English, known. Okay, so it's quite an old English word. So I have a feeling that unbeknownst to you, these 2 words existed. Well, now their existence is not unbeknown to you, but particularly unbeknown to a person, unbeknownst to a person. Unbeknownst to the Prime Minister, a new crisis was in the offing. Okay, it was coming soon. Okay, and it's that easy. So, unbeknown to somebody, they don't know about it. Unbeknownst to somebody. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Unbeknown and unbeknownst.